I bought this gingerbread wood cutout at Dollar Tree. I went ahead and base coated the front of the house with a honey brown. I base coated in the windows with different pastel colors. I want it to look like it has stained glass windows. I shaded around the edges on the inside, put a stripe right down the center because I want to make that look like a candy cane design. Added in a couple of trees, again shading around the windows and the door. Then I added some stripes to the candy cane area. Then I shaded inside of those stained glass windows, added some white paint as the gingerbread icing around the door. And I went in and worked on that little wreath that's in there. I had to base coat the bow red, so I painted it white to begin with. All those little light bulbs need to be painted white first, and then I can go back in there with different colors and do those as well. Also, I added the candy cane design right there on the door. Finished up those little lights. I added some shading to add dimension into the candy cane design. Got the red bow on there. Added some highlighting to those windows. Now they really pop out and into the door. Added additional snow to the trees and to the wreath. Then I connected all those lights with a white line. It was all wavy, making them look like they were just hanging there. Added some red into the door frames and to that little bow. And then I added some blue shading underneath the white part of the roof, giving it a lot more dimension. It really set it off. So I did the same thing on the snow that will be under the windows. I will go back later and add a lot of glitter to this.